All right.
That's it.
Okay, fine.
Fine.
So, yeah. All right. Thanks for letting me that know. Well, coming back to our day today, we are on day 20. Yeah, we have stepped into day 20. It's a phenomenal thing what we have achieved. I kindly request all of you to please go on mute.
Sir,
Yeah, Fetch 94. Who is that? I can't see your name. Go
Can
on
I
mute.
mute all them, ma'am?
sir, it's better to mute all because this video will be uploaded in YouTube. They will also get disturbance in between.
Yes, sir. Please mute everybody, and whenever I ask somebody to speak, they can unmute and talk.
Okay, ma'am. Please unmute.
Yes, all right. So now everybody is on mute. Okay. So coming back to our session, rule number 1, you will have to submit all your assignments in the group, specifically, which is assigned for this particular Zoom session, for this live YouTube session, so that it becomes easy for the admin group to update the tracker. Also, today I'm going to give you a very special assignment, that is a video assignment, because we are coming towards the end of the session. Friday will be our closing day. As we had promised you, we are bringing one more extra day to you. So we are, going to make it 22 days rather than 21 days. So we are going to come to a closure on Friday. And by then, I want all of your videos to come to me, to come to that group. That will be the final assignment, which will be posted in the group today. Make a video of about 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes video in a horizontal mode with proper lighting. Dress well, okay? Be presentable and look at the camera and speak. Do not look here and there. So follow the protocol. Many of you are certified EPS speakers, so I don't have to teach you like what are the methodologies. So you just have to look into the camera, keep the mobile in horizontal mode, good lighting, and have your script ready about the course, what you have learned in this course, and how much it has helped you, and what was it before, how was it able to help you add value to your life, have you come out of your hesitation and fear, all those whatever words you want to, whatever assistance you have got through this course, you can add it into that video, and you can write a script. Keep it ready, because I've been telling you to talk in front of the mirror, right, every day. And so I'm sure you all have practiced that quite well. And you also have written a story, which we are going to talk about today. So you are well versed in writing now. Prepare a script, make it ready, because 10 minutes talking continuously is not a joke. Okay? Completely in English, 10 minutes without getting stuck in fluency. You are continuously talking. So be prepared for it, my friends. Okay? Once again, the best videos will be selected and it will be broadcasted in my YouTube channel. Okay? In my YouTube channel, in my FB page, in my Insta page. Okay? So I want to take all my participants along with me. I am not walking in this journey alone. You're all there with me. So come up with the best videos, best content, and of course, light and how you shoot the video. That is very important. So keep in mind all these factors and give me your videos. They will be posted in my YouTube channel. Okay. So this will be the final assignment. It will be posted in the group. I wanted to let you know about it. Now, okay. So after your 10th day, we have covered certain topics, right? They are professional English. We have covered it in 3 parts. Like how can you use the professional language? Have you all got your books ready? Can I see your books? Yeah. Srividya, yes. Sureka, Vijaya Singham, Jayanti, Pujita, I don't have to ask them at all. They are ever ready. Srividya, very good. Indukuri, all right. Tulasi, ma'am, excellent. Anita, ma'am, excellent. Yes, she is ever ready. Upendram, sir, Akash, Prem, and Durga, ma'am, all right. You're ready. Anil Kumar, sir. Anil Kumar, sir, haven't you got your serial number? No? You got it? If you have got it, show me a thumbs up. No or yes? No. Okay. Anil Kumar sir will be getting. Don't worry. Our admin is taking care of it. So you will get it. Padmaja ma'am, Sheshadri ma'am, Rajeshwari Devi, Aruna, Sujata, Shravani, Ram Babu sir, Sarika, Umarani, Anusha, then Kata, Nasaya sir, Kota sir, TV, Ratna. Excellent. Shakuntala ma'am, Yogyashri, Santosh, Karthik, Radhika, Pulipelli Jyoti, where are you? Sirisha, Vijaya Reddy. Then it is, okay, Jayant, Pooja Sharma, Tejashri, Ramakrishna, Saujanya. Okay, I can see all these names. I have been reading your assignments, but you're not here on the camera. Well, it's all right. Maunika, Venkataratna. Well done. I want to see all your books because let us just have a recap. Professional English, we have done it in 3 parts, right? We looked at some of the professional words which can be used, and we looked at introduction, self-introduction, how it can be done in a professional way. And also we looked at modal auxiliaries, right? Can, could, will, would, how it can be used in the form of a question in 3 different situations, isn't it? Then we started getting to know the grammar aspects. Again, we learned majorly about the kinds of sentences and the parts of speech. And again, we moved on to tenses, right? The tricky one. We got into all the 4 forms of the 3 tenses, past, present, and future, all the 4 forms, right? And then we learned how to write a story or how to write an essay, paragraph writing. Then we looked into idioms, right? And yesterday we touched upon some of the verbs, right? And again, people have done it very beautifully. The assignments about troublesome verbs, I asked you to, find out some more verbs and make sentences out of it. You have done it really well. I was going through, but I'm not able to see their faces here. Okay. So after covering all of this, what we are going to do, we will see how much you have adopted it in your everyday life. Okay. How many of you have been consistently using it? How many of you have understood that and been implementing it? Right. So we will get into the assessment part of it. And let me also tell you, like, now that you have come to a stage where you understand sentences, how they are formed, how they're created, the grammar part of it, and how to use it in a professional way, and all that stuff, like whatever you have learned from past 20 days, I want you to create dramas. Okay? When I say drama, create a scene. Maybe you can imagine you all are going as a family or with your friends or with your cousins or with your colleagues. You're going out to a restaurant for having dinner or for having lunch. तो ऐसा scenes imagine करके आप dialogues लिखो. Okay? Characters ऐसा 3-4 ले लो. उनका नाम लिख लो पहले. Then you write each person's dialogue. One person will suggest one restaurant. Then the other person will say it's very far, let us pick one restaurant which is nearby. And then you will suggest something else. Then you want to order food. What kind of cuisine do you like? So imagine what all happens. You would have gone to restaurant many a times, isn't it? So imagine karke wo sare dialogues likhna. Okay? So going to a restaurant or going to a picnic. Okay? I'll tell you some 5 topics. You can pick up your own. Going to a picnic, going to a restaurant, or going to a cinema. Okay. So which language or which movie you want to select, and which theater you want to go, which cinema hall you want to go. You can write all those dialogues. And then maybe, annual day function. You want to organize an annual day function. So you are all getting together and planning for it and organizing. Write down the dialogues. Okay. Or you are just going to a railway station and asking for a ticket, buying a ticket. There again, how are you going to speak? Yeah, with the ticket officer. What are the conversations you will have? So any kind of situation, just pick up, create a drama, write the dialogues, and enact the scene, entire scene in your head. In your head, you enact it. What can happen? And then you start writing the dialogues. This will amazingly help you to think in English. Okay, this is the final. See, you have prepared the cake. You have done the icing. Now, finally, you have to keep that cherry on the top, isn't it? You just have to decorate it. Final cherry on the top. So this is that tip which I'm giving you. Okay, so start enacting those scenes in your head and write down the dialogues so that it will completely help you to think in English. In future, you have that kind of situation coming, you will automatically start speaking in English because you know all the dialogues, you have already written it, right? So that is the way you will have to start thinking in English. That was one tip which I wanted to give. So finally, we are back to our assessment. Now I'm going to pick few names. Are you all ready with the stories? Yeah, totally ready? Right in front of you? Well done. Okay. Vijaya Singham, you have a lovely smile. Okay, let's go ahead with her. Okay, a big round of applause. And we will start the session with Vijaya Singham's story. Yes, ma'am. Venu sir, I think you can give the unmute option.
Vijay Singham, ma'am, please raise your hand, ma'am.
In the chat box, and you will be ready to be unmuted.
Yes, please, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
Big round of applause. Yes, Vijaya, go for it. You are the first participant.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Happy evening, ma'am.
Happy
How is
evening.
it going, ma'am? How is it going, ma'am?
It's going good. You have to tell me. I'm enjoying it thoroughly every day. I love coming and teaching all of you.
We are too equally excited, ma'am, for your classes and your voice. In that, so much positiveness is there. To grab that positiveness, I am eager every day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Today, ma'am, I have to say a story on impact or any other story. Can I say, ma'am?
It's your choice. I had given you an assignment where you can write a story on Impact Foundation and these classes. So
Okay,
it's your
okay.
choice. If you want to pick up some
Now,
other story, you can.
yes, ma'am. I want to say one story, ma'am. That is 3 pieces of advice. A man was once walking in a forest and happened to see an exotic bird. Being very charmed by it and wanting to have it as a pet, he tiptoed towards it from behind and caught it. To his utter surprise, the bird has started talking and he said to him, "Please release me. In turn, I will give you 3 gems, 3 valuable pieces of advice that can transform your life. I will give you the first one, the first advice only when you let me go. The second one, when I flew up to the branch. And the third one, when I fly up high to the very top of the tree." The man instantly agreed and let the bird go. As soon as it was freed, the bird started flying up. As it said, "Here is the first gem, my first piece of advice. Don't torture, torment, and burden yourself with excessive regret for your past mistakes." As the man pondered over what he had just heard, the bird flew up, sat on a branch, and spoke back. "Don't believe anything that goes against common sense unless you have first-hand proof." The man then saw the bird fly to the very top of the crown of the tree. It started laughing and said to the man, "You are a fool. Within my body, 2 huge jewels. If you would have kept me and killed me instead of letting me go, you would have been the master of these precious jewels and would have become instantly rich." "Oh my God," the man exclaimed, "how could I be so stupid? I will never be able to forget this foolishness for the rest of my life. Oh God, can you at least give me your last, the third piece of advice? Maybe that will have the potential to pacify me." The bird replied, "I was just testing you. You are asking me for further advice, but Did you even realize that you have already disregarded the earlier 2 pieces of advice I gave you? First, I told you not to regret for the past mistakes, but you just tormented yourself to letting me go. Secondly, I said not to believe against common sense, but what you have done, how can you believe that a small bird can have that huge jewels in it? If you are not applying what you are already know, there is no point being so intent on gaining what you don't know. That is the third advice. So by this story, what is the moral is what we know is not important. What we are applying is important. So many people are eager to learn the new things, but they are not following even one thing. That's not the correct way to approach or to gain success. We have to follow even one thing so that we can achieve anything we want. That is the main thing, is to follow or to apply it. Thank you, ma'am, to give such a wonderful platform to express myself. Thank you, Impact. Thank you, Compasser. Thanks to admins. Thank you, everyone.
Wow, that was an amazing story. Big round of applause to Vijaya Singham ma'am for many, many reasons. Yes, it was a wonderful story, undoubtedly. Though we have heard of such stories, many such stories before, still every time we listen to it, it appears different because of the speaker. Because of the speaker, the way you narrated it, and wherever it was necessary, you took the pause. See, I am mainly looking at how you narrate and what are the words you have been using. Yes, why I looked at stories which was written by your own thoughts was I was looking at the usage of the vocabulary words. But well, yes, you have come out with a beautiful story. Narration was very good. You have given the pause wherever it was necessary. Diction and fluency while reading is excellent. You have picked up very well on that. Thank you so much, Vijaya. Well done. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. So we will move on to the next person. Yes, can I request Anita ma'am to come out with your story? What
Please
you
raise-
have written.
Please raise hand, Anita ma'am.
So-
Please raise your hand.
Yeah, whoever, when I call out, raise your hand so that sir finds it easy to unmute you. Can you unmute yourself? Anita ma'am, are you not able to do it? Okay, she's given a thumbs up, sir.
No, no thumbs up, ma'am.
Raise
There
your
is an
hand.
option called thumb raising. Hand raising option is there.
Are you not able to figure it out, Anita ma'am?
Anita MN, ma'am.
Yes, Anita Ayman, that's right.
Please go ahead.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, am I audible?
Perfectly.
Yeah, this is a laptop, that's why I couldn't give that face up.
That's fine. You can do it here. Yeah, well, go ahead.
Okay. Good evening to all. Let me read my story. The Miracle of English. That is the title of my story. Why I am writing this story is, we were assigned to write the story. It should be our experience. After attending the class, we have got 19 days quotes from our Shilpa ma'am. So it should be connected with that. That's why I wrote this story. That is the theme of my story. The Miracle of English. Dum, dum, dum. Dear pupil and locals, your attention please. Impact Foundation has decided to provide you a miraculous coaching for English. Dum, dum, dum. The proclamation of the minister, Sri Venusa from Impact Palace, echoed every word. It is absolutely free of cost. Minister added, free coaching for English communication? People were totally confused and questioned each other. Impact Foundation is an institution located in Hyderabad, which is mainly focusing the empowerment of youth by providing various types of training and courses, thereby enrich the society and the nation. Realizing the significance and the worth of English language, the Lord Star of Impact Foundation, Sri Gamba Nageswar Rao sir, has given a wealthy and worthy platform for all the people who aspire to learn English communication. Hearing this wonderful news, people from various parts joined this coaching. It is a 21 days coaching leading by a well-known and a versatile personality, Sri Shilpa Srinivas. Tang, tang, tang. Ganesh Thambi is an ordinary person who works in an electricity office as a clerk. It was his burning desire to learn English and speak English fluently. He also happened to hear this news of English coaching. So without a second thought, he decided to join this class. But he kept this news as a secret from his family, thinking that after 21 days, he would be a fluent speaker in English. When it is saying that his wife and family would be surprised, so he did not disclose this matter even to his wife. So he did not disclose this matter even to his wife. And very eagerly and enthusiastically, he waited for that great day, the day when the class starts. Today is October 1st. My dream is going to fulfill, he whispered himself. An undefinable energy and spirit enveloped him. That day at sharp 5 p.m., he reached from the office. As usual, his wife entertained him with a cup of tea. Holding that cup of tea, he rushed to his room and locked by saying, I have to do some urgent work related to my office. Don't call me or disturb me. He closed the door and windows of his room and settled his laptop, and pretty curiously, he opened the Zoom link. My God, the face of Guruji Sri Gamba Nageswar sir appeared on the monitor. All of you get ready with your pen and book. Every day you will have assignment. You all should be very prompt and dedicate your work. You have never had such a golden opportunity in your life. So make the most use of this chance. The proud and the genius words of Lord Star of Impact Foundation shook the heart of the viewers. Of course, he is the soul and heart of Impact Foundation. Sri Venu Master, the backbone of Impact Foundation, welcomed Sri Shilpa Srinivas Madam, the shining star of English, with all respect and honor. First day was introductory session. Madam gave them the clear picture of the relevance and the requirement of English language and the strategies and technique to develop this language. Moreover, she suggested the phenomenal tips of our professional and personal development. On seeing her smooth, free-flowing, indigenous and rich language, everyone was astonished and imbibed in it. The energy, the power, the motivation, the spirit she imparted to the aspirants were undefinable. At 6:30 p.m., Ganesh Thambi opened the door and came out. What happened to you? What was the special work? His wife inquired doubtfully. It was pertaining to my office work, he replied to his wife. Later, every day he came from office at sharp 5 p.m. Without wasting a fraction of a second, he would enter his room and started to attend the class. His wife began to observe him suspiciously. What's wrong with him? He gets up early, always looking dictionary, speaking to the mirror, taking videos, listening English song. Why this? Is she fall in love with an English lady? His wife was totally disturbed and perplexed. Anyhow, I will find out this. She controlled her feeling herself. Ganesh Thambi was completely absorbed in his English learning. In a way, he started his transformational journey. The power of communication in our life, goal setting, professional skill, conversational skill, parts of speech, tenses, phrases, idioms, story writing, essay writing, etc. and etc. Class moved forward with full of resources. It was not like a listening and grasping, but listening and doing. Certainly, it was a practical workshop. Ganesh Thambi was totally changed. His approach, attitude towards his wife, family, neighbors, organization, office staff, everything got changed. There was a phenomenal change in his behavior. Today is the day for story writing. What should I write? I want to write a story about my transformational journey, which I have acquired from Shilpa ma'am. Am I able to write a story? Ganesh Thambi introspected himself. Understanding the clue which was given by Shilpa ma'am, he began to write a story. Alas, what a wonderful story. He read his story 2 or 3 times. He couldn't believe his eyes. It was the first time he wrote an English story in his life. He was overjoyed, and this was the best time to discuss everything to my wife. He decided and rushed to his wife. Excitedly, he called, Shani, Shani. He called his wife very excitedly. Shh, don't make noise. Let me complete this. I am recording my story. This is my audiobook, page number 10. You, how, when? He was stunned. See, Shilpa Srinivas class is available on YouTube. I want to complete today's vocabulary notes too. Would you please allow me to complete this? A family has been completely indulged in the Communicating English transformational journey. Impact Foundation is not only giving English communication skill, but also gives us a power and energy to build up our personality. If we are utilizing that power, we can be the best version of ourselves. The miraculous power of Sri Shilpa Srinivas in teaching English is invaluable and incredible. I never and never had such a coach in my life. She proffered a miraculous power and energy to redefine my life. My sincere gratitude to our beloved Madam Sri Shilpa Srinivas ma'am, Impact Foundation, Guruji Sri Kampa Nageswar Rao sir, kudos. Thank you everybody for listening my story so patiently.
Oh my goodness. Are we just watching a cinema or what? She went on and on with her beautiful, amazing, astounding story, wonderful narration. Maybe you will be called for a narration after listening to this. Some movie maker. Wonderful narration, number one. Excellent usage of words, standard words. She has upgraded her English normal words to standard words. Exceptionally good. Number three, grammatical errors, absolutely nil. Just one or two here and there, absolutely nil. So one or two can be just, discarded. So that is the main part, completely implemented the grammar part of it. Excellent. And the way the content of the story, like creating that surprise element and trying to take one imaginary character and trying to put those dialogues, the way it has been written, it's very dramatic. It's very perfect and dramatic, and it comes with years of experience. Of course, she's a wonderful English teacher, but she has, what can you say, fine-tuned her knowledge, fine-tuned the beauty of English language very effectively. Kudos to you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Forget about all the praising parts. I was looking at the English part of it, and I was looking at the narration part of it. It was very impressive. That was absolutely lovely. Give a big round of applause to Anita ma'am. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
My future narrator.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Exceedingly well. Well done, Anita ma'am. Okay, what we're going to do, we will extend this assessment for tomorrow as well, because I want everybody to get a chance, and I don't want to, come in between and interfere few people while they are speaking. So we will assign 2-3 minutes, yeah, maximum of 2-3 minutes to each person, and we will continue for tomorrow as well. Okay, fine. That was lovely, Anita ma'am. I loved your expressions, the way you said it, and you said that from the bottom of your heart. So that was what I was able to figure out from your speech. Very well written. Thank you so much for your love and affection. All right. Thank you.
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So, okay. Nasimha Swami sir, over to you. All right. You can raise your hand. He's already raised it. Venu sir, please unmute him. No, no, no. Yes, go for it. Go for it.
Good evening, Shilpa Madam, Shilpa Srinivas Madam, and good evening, Venu sir. Good evening, all my friends, and my colleagues. I will tell you my story. Then I am J. Narasimha Swami. I have completed MA English, BA, BSc. My educational background was in Telugu medium, where my English communication skills are medium. Then I joined in spoken English classes conducted by Impact Foundation to upgrade my skills, English skills. Things did not go very well in my first session. I have no idea. I'm weak. I was panic in my first session, but I tried to pick up and digest the things and vocabulary. First session, my first session was about silent letters. I tried to listen the class and to understand it. At the end of session, I really got to know very well about the topic. Dismayed by confidence arose again. I tried to accentuate my English learning goal. The very next session was about understanding the comprehension, where we were given to tell the moral of the story. This time, I really heard to core and output of session was satisfactory. And the next sessions were about poems and lyrics, writing and basic structures, which are really useful to me. And I try to, in the best way, to learn. Next, second session. The second session was about story writing, about any life incidents, where I shared my story in my beat days. In bad days, I have no English in my beat days. My friends are laughing to me in front of the class. I feel very sad in my beard. I came from Telugu medium. I joined in English medium. How can I speak English? I have no basic grammars. My friends are laughing me in front of. I feel very sad. I felt very nostalgic about it. And I think I really did very well. Then I learned my spoken English after 25 years. My Satyanarayan sir, first my 10th class English sir is Venugopal sir, first my guru. I don't know 9th class is and was, single word I don't know in English. Very poor in Shishmandir. First I learned 10th class. After 25 years bed, after I joined 3 months spoken English. Sir and madam encourage me. I will join Telugu medium school. Afterwards, one by one, I will improve myself. It is very difficult to learn an English in Telugu medium students. It is not easy to learn. Nowadays, all members are learn English, but it is not easy Telugu medium students. Pakka, I am telling sure. I'm a teacher. I have suffered. LKG to 10th, I dealt. Students are, I know. Third session. Upcoming this session were about daily life conversations using modal verbs and question tags, followed my communication skills, self-introduction, essay writing, story writing, LSR, listening, speaking, writing, reading, all skills were understood. All coming days, notes making, enriching my vocabulary, reading newspaper, become my daily routine. I'm improving myself day by day. I improve. Impact Foundation led a great impact onto me, improve my English skills. Shilpa Srinivasam Madam is a great person and legend. Daily we have to improve. Then how can we speak? How can we presentation? And how can speak in words also? It is not easy to madam. It's a great honor to me in Impact Foundation. It is not easy. Then we are very lucky. We learn from your lessons. It is very great honor to Impact Foundation. I'm grateful to Impact of Madam then only nowadays I leave it my English. I feel very sad. I'm doing business. Now when I joined English, I will learn and I will get job enthusiasm. I feel very, now I have to write exam. I will get job. Now only
Wow.
I have to show my confidence. Then I became an enthusiastic and instance to achieve my goals. I try to help others to improve their skills in my own way. I'm very thankful to Impact Foundation, Gampa Nayasara sir, Shilpa Srinivasa madam, and Venu sir, Shalini madam, Shivakirti madam, Mohan sir, all facilitators. I'm very thankful too. Why? Because it's all other facilitator from my heart. Okay, this is opportunity is to give me. Especially thank you all my colleagues, as well my friends, and thank you one and all. I'm also facilitator in Impact Foundation, but I'm not giving one class. Daily I join and I will see my participation, but I am not giving one class. I feel sad now. I started my group, but I listen daily classes Impact Foundation, but I did not give one class. I feel then sad. I will prepare and I will give class my in group. Thank you, madam. This great honor. Thank you, friends. Thank you, Venusa. All thank you. This is Jena
Excellent.
Swami. I have done mistakes. Why? Because I came from Telugu medium students. Some mistakes. Sorry. Thank you.
Excellent. Perfect, sir. There are no mistakes in life. There are only lessons in life, isn't it? So we have told about that positive mantra. Do not worry about what mistakes we might make. That was an amazing story from Narasimha Swami, sir. Yes, of course, from Telugu medium or from vernacular medium, from Hindi medium, from Kannada medium, people coming from, that is our mother tongue. That is our vernacular language. Of course, we have been speaking that right from our childhood. So nothing wrong about it, but you don't have to feel inferior if you're not able to speak in English. That was where I started my first class. Never feel inferior. Never feel you do not know so many languages, and one such language is English. That's it. Keep it simple. Go for it. Once you're out of that fear, you can do it. Definitely, I'm so happy. Your story was excellent. Of course, few grammatical errors, but the amazing transformation you have had. You haven't been learning English from your childhood. Something which you can learn in your childhood, it becomes very easy for you to develop on that. Because we always remember our childhood skills. Maybe we were singing very well. It becomes very easy for us to develop on music. Maybe we were dancing very well. So we will be a great dancer. But something which we have not picked up in our childhood, it is very difficult to learn that. Because at that tender age, our grasping power is maximum. It will be easy. But as and when we grow, we have many distractions. So it becomes difficult. In spite of that, you are able to achieve it, Narasimha sir. So very proud of you. Thank you so much for giving us that honest and beautiful story. That was lovely, amazing vocabulary. Of course, the sentence formation, you can pick up on that. If you keep practicing, it's just a cakewalk. So nothing really big. Wonderful. All right. Okay, so let's move to the next person. I think today she'll be the last person to present it. Okay, so we will move to Surekha ma'am. I am looking at people who are consistent in submitting their assignments and who are consistently attending. If time permits, then I'll move to the next person. If Surekha ma'am can wrap it up in 3 minutes, then yes, we can accommodate another person. Over to you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
Happy evening to all the family members of Impact. I am Surekha Srinivas. I am from Shadnagar in Rangareddy district. I am pursuing a practical course in an effective public speaking from Impact Foundation. I like English very much. I want to become a fluent speaker. That's why I joined in this course. Really, this is a wonderful platform from Impact. All positive energy poured into our mind, not only to develop fluency in English, but also develop in our life. This is happened only because of our lovely ma'am Shilpa Srinivas Garu. Please, friends, give her a big applause. I am very much thankful to our Guruji, Sri Gampa Nageshwar Rao Sir Garu. Friends, once again, give him a big applause. Yes. Next. We started our journey in this course on 30th September 2020. Now today is 28th October, one introduction class, 19 days. We learned so many things from goal setting to some troublesome verbs. I promised on the day in the coming 21 days, I achieve my goal to be a fluent speaker in English. Basically, I am from teaching profession. In classroom situation, there is no problem to me. In daily conversation, I learned so many things from Impact. Now I can speak without any fear. This course helped me in this process. Especially Shilpa ma'am interaction and the way of teaching changed me a lot. Now onwards, I work out myself to improve in a better way. By more practice, I can reach to the next level. This confidence I got from this practical English, spoken English course. In my life, memorable things generally happen simultaneously. Long back, when I gave birth to a baby boy, I got a government job at the same time, nearly 19 years back. Now, in the same way, I am a facilitator of EPS 23 and also a participant of this group. I am reminded the memorable situation of my life now. This is really a remarkable incident for me. Thanks a lot. And today I want to share journey of our course in the form of a story. I wrote about the course in 8 pages in the form of a story. If I used to tell the complete story, it takes much time. Nearly, I think it takes one complete session. So I want to release a trailer or a blueprint of my story, which includes 8 points. First point is the title of the story. My title is Impact and Unwritten Registry in My Life. Please, I'm going to repeat. Impact and Unwritten Registry in My Life. Second point is introduction. Third point is complete details about the course. Fourth point is one awesome mind map. To speak fluent English, I created a mind map which makes easy to understand the complete information through bullet points. How to be a fluent English speaker. Next, fifth point is flowchart. I enjoyed very much while preparing the flowchart. I included 10 steps to be a fluent English speaker. How ma'am encouraged us with all her positive vibes, with all positive mantras. I created a flowchart. There is a bond between these two things. That is our way of attitude and learning. This great bond we may apply in any situation. Sixth point is conclusion. And seventh point is slogan of impact. My own self, I created one slogan. My slogan is love all, serve all. Learn more, attain more. Serve all, live eternal. I'm going to repeat if you don't mind. Love all, serve all. Learn more, attain more. Serve all, live eternal, like our Guruji and Shilpaji. Yes, my 8th point is I created one acronym of impact. That is IMPACT. I means improve yourself in all-round development. M means motivate people with your sense of humor. P means pay attention to personality development and public speaking. A means addict for determination, dedication, and discipline. C means create your own recognition in the society. T means time is very precious. Make use it in a right way. This is the great acronym I learned from this impact. This is just a trailer about my story. Please, friends, all of you go through my story. I posted on Telegram group. I want to add one more point to this story. That is one act play. This overall journey 21 days program, I want to explain one act play with one plot. It takes some more time, but definitely I will send it to our lovely Shilpa ma'am. This is my promise.
Wow.
Like our army, this impact is giving so much to the society. Our Guruji is like a lieutenant colonel, is contributing his services without expecting a single pie. Shilpa ma'am, Venugopal sir, Shalini ma'am, Shravani ma'am, Dr. Manmohan sir, Manikantan sir, Lakshmi Prasad garu, Swarna ma'am, and so many members are working like soldiers. Please, all my friends, give them a big applause. Hats off to them, really. Finally, I want to conclude by saying that I learned a lot from Impact organization. So I decided myself to share my views to my network, that is my family, friends, relation, colleagues, ex-students and students, etc. I am watching all impact videos and Shilpa ma'am's English related videos in YouTube. I am sharing these links to all my groups. Under the guidance of Shilpa ma'am, I want to fulfill all my wishes. That is the completion of my MA, PhD courses and all English related courses, so that we can keep ourselves motivated and to achieve our dreams. Then only we transform ourselves. Can I do it too? I can do it. Yes, I can do it, ma'am. Shilpa ma'am. Thank you very much, Guruji, Shilpa ma'am, and Venu sir, and all the persons who are behind the screen. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Oh my goodness. What a wonderful presentation. That was amazing. Maybe you are the Barack Obama of Impact Foundation. You know Barack Obama, one of the greatest orator of the world. I mean, our former US president. Wonderful, excellently presented. You have a musical voice, Surekha ma'am. So people tend to listen to your voice. They get attracted to your voice. You have a very beautiful voice. And yes, the key pointers, the way you put it across as trailers was absolutely wonderful. The usage of words, very, very impressive. And yes, I think, yes, you make a very good writer and as well as a presenter. Amazing. I still remember my first introduction class where people were unmuting themselves and were trying to talk in Telugu. Ma'am, maku English radu, memu Telugulo adugutamu, and all that, you know, that initial hesitation. And today you are perfectly and fluently speaking in English. Oh my God, I'm so overjoyed. I'm really overjoyed from the bottom of my heart. So thanks to all of you for giving that dedication. Let me just give you a small example, like to express my feelings and my happiness today. When you look at the river and there is a duck which is floating on the river, yeah, you see that duck and you are seeing that river from a distance. You feel so nice, that absolute pleasant feeling, serene feeling when you see that duck moving on the water. But you will not be seeing the continuous pedaling of its feet, right? It's continuously pedaling, it's continuously swimming with its feet. It's putting its efforts. But for you, the beauty is it is just floating on the water. So today, I am able to visualize that scene. All of you are beautifully swimming on that river like cute little ducks, but you are putting your efforts beneath the surface of the water, which I can see. Only because of that, you're able to do this so smoothly. And I'm simply overjoyed. And I want to congratulate each one of you. Thank you so much for all your efforts, because you're all action takers, isn't it? You're not those people who belong to, you know, ma'am, okay, fine, we will follow, we know everything. No, ma'am, we're going to do it. So you are the doers of my group. All right. So one last person, another 3 minutes. Upendram sir, do you want to go for it? Pullakandam Upendram sir, do you want to go for it? 3 more minutes. You can wrap up your story. Yes or no? Okay, he has already raised his hand. Okay, thank you, sir. Over to you.
Good evening,
yes,
Shilpa
we
madam.
will come to you tomorrow. Okay.
Good evening, Shilpa madam.
Good evening. Sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
okay.
You are.
Chat and sheet, I conclude my story with a small poetry.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay. Oh my God, They stop me, they stop me. Madam, you explains what are the hurdles that we are not speaking.
All right.
Oh my Guruji, I starts now, I starts now. Oh my teacher, setting goal starts my journey. First of all, you encourage us with a goal. That's why we started this journey, madam. First of all, I started to use the phrases. Actually, we don't know phrases. I feel that that are the part of the sentence, and we are searching in dictionaries. What is that? Then, oh my God, no, my letters of silence boost me. We didn't have any knowledge about silent letters. Oh my dear, skill work kills my fear, my fear. Listening skills, speaking skills. That skills kills our fear, madam. Oh my sister, helping was help me a lot. Helping words, and we can't use the helping words. Actually, the uses of we are very poor in the uses of helping verbs. Now we are, I think, perfect. Oh my mother, words are attached by tags, question tags. Oh my brother, fill the words, fill my gaps. We have a tense in between the speech. So these filler words are very useful for us, madam. Oh my friends, now I can express expressions. We didn't able to express our expressions in messages. Oh my grandma, now I became professional because we have 3 professional classes. Oh my son, no fear, no doubt. Introduce myself. And actually, we very fear to introduce ourselves. Now we become
No
free.
fear.
No fear. Oh my father, sentences help me. Sentences of silence. Sentence of silence. Sentence. No. Sentence. You know the other meaning of sentence.
Yes.
Oh my God. Speech journey started. Parts of my final stop. This is final stop. Parts of speech. Dear all, no tension, no tension. Attention of tenses. Attention of tenses. We got the knowledge of tenses, all tenses, past tense, future tense, and the present tense of 4 times. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Gampa sir, Shilpa madam, Shilpa madam. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. That was a lovely poem. You try to
Okay.
summarize all the 21 days, whatever you have learned,
Yeah.
the topics in the form of a poem. I think you're writing an English poem for the first time, isn't it, Upendram sir?
Yeah, this is my first poem, madam.
Wonderful,
Okay.
sir. That's a brave attempt. Kudos to you. Well done. Keep up the good work. Here we are all very positive about each other. Nobody is going to discourage you. So with that spirit and with that confidence, you have done that. Kudos to you. Well done. Very proud of you. Excellent. So let us move on. Like for tomorrow, other people also will have chances. Okay, don't worry. You will all get a chance to come and speak on this platform. Again, let me remind you, November 1st, my communication skills workshop will be from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. 3 hours. It is like 3 days of workshop combined together, and you're getting just at the cost of 99 rupees. As I told you, the cost of 1 kg of any vegetable, which is going to change your life. So go for it. Don't let go of this opportunity. You can inform your friends as well. And all the YouTubers who are watching this, make use of this opportunity. You can WhatsApp me on 7019164449. It's 7019164449. So WhatsApp me and you can get to the workshop. And whoever has already enrolled, please fill in the Google form. Okay, the Google Forms will be put across. So please fill in the Google Form so that it will be easy for us to send the link to join on that day, November 1st. Okay, so well done, all of you. And positive mantra for tomorrow will be, during these pandemic times, we have had difficulties. Like maybe it's not very major, like maybe we have lost a few people who are in our close circle. We are not even able to attend their funeral, isn't it? So many weddings have happened within our close circles and we are not able to attend their weddings. So it pains us. We are not able to do normal things. But in spite of that, we have been doing positive things. We have been optimistic. We have been strong, isn't it? So your positive mantra, I think Anil Kumar sir is going to type it for me. He's been doing an amazing job again, posting it at 12 a.m. Thank you so much, sir, for your sincerity and commitment. Be strong, stay optimistic, do not lose your inner strength. Do not lose your inner strength. Okay? Be strong, stay optimistic, do not lose your inner strength. The power of the positive mantras, I'm sure all of you are making use of it. That is why you're all looking so bright and cheerful and amazing with your growth. Look at how phenomenally you all have grown with your English, isn't it? It's the power of the positive mantras. So keep telling this to yourself. Be strong, beta. Akshita, Kalal Akshita, it's be strong, stay optimistic, and do not lose your inner strength. Lose your inner strength is LOSE. I'm going to put it in the group, of course, so you can repost it. Thank you so much. We had a wonderful interaction. It's amazing to see your growth, and personally, it is so satisfying to me. When you do something and when it really gets its worth, when it's due for its worth, and when you get its worth, it is priceless. It's beyond what money can give you, isn't it? So you all have given me that personal satisfaction. Thank you so much. And there doesn't go a day where I do not remember Gampa Nageshwar Rao sir, our Guruji. He's been the guiding light. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Over to you, Venu, sir.
Thank you so much, man. I totally spellbound. The way the people are transformed themselves, I couldn't explain with my words.
Wow.
Seriously, the Vijay Singha ma'am and Anita ma'am, as well as Pulagandam sir, as well as Narasimha Swami sir.
Narasimha Swami, Sureka. Yes.
So these people are, the way they transform themselves, it gives immense pleasure to us.
Yes.
Seriously, ma'am, we are I'm very happy. I'm requesting you, behalf of Impact Foundation, please, one more day extension. We should stop the 21 days.
Yes.